Do this and your edges will be on flake and no white residue. Hello y'all. So this is what you would do, okay, in order for you to get your edges to not turn white, okay. So you would apply, so first off you would apply this, okay. This is I hope you can see it, olive oil mega moisture. This is what I applied first off on my hair, okay. I applied this and I let it to dry. It says enriched with olive oil, antioxidants, and multivitamins. Okay, so I applied this to my hair. I give it about a minute or two to let it dry, and then I applied what is this? I have something I applied to my edges to help my edges too. It's like a herbal, yeah, it's like an Indian hemp herbal. Indian hemp is made with green leaves, jojoba aloe, and safflower. Okay, so this is a herbal hair and scalp conditioner. Okay, so this, you can see the herbs, it has that. So I applied a little bit to my edges because I don't know, I feel like I have a little bit of thinning, so I applied a little bit to my edges. Okay, so I applied it, massage my edges a little bit, so that helps too. So that and then what I then do is I apply this just as you would apply like regular edge control, and this is edge effect. Okay, this is like a cheaper version of the edge booster. So I applied this to my edges and just laid them. Okay, and this has been all day and is still basically been laid. Okay, so it's been laid and no white residue, as you can see. Okay, so I just wanted to just put out this quick tutorial because I've been looking for something to help me out with taking out the flakes, you know, those whitish flakes from my hair when I lay my edges, and this has seemed to work, and it worked for me today. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and share, okay, because I know there's a lot of people that are looking for the same solution and haven't found it yet. So thank you. Bye.